Okay, going to be starting this project. I'm going to be taking this door off the boat and I will take it to the workshop. So this should be a relatively short video. All I'm going to do is take the screws out of the hinges, take the door off, and take it home. So I'm going to get going on that. Use my little driver here. Okay, so that's it. The door is off the boat. It's all free. So I'll take it to the workshop and work on this center. Maybe glue up some of these checks that I've gone through and reattach these stringers to the bottom to get it, because it's kind of a little flippy floppy now. So I want to fix that and take care of the screws on the end. So this is takes a lot of abuse, this door, so it always does require some attention. So that's probably about it for now. Okay, since I'm still here at the boat, I'm going to take some time and service the hinges on it. These hinges are pretty old and they're getting a little stiff, so I'm going to clean them. I'm going to wire brush them or use my little rotary tool there. Clean them up, and then I'm going to leave them in a bath of penetrating fluid to maybe break this up a little bit. So let's get started. So I'm just going to use this abrasive wheel to clean off the bronze. So I'll do this to all three of them. All I'm trying to do is just clean them up a little bit, so I'm not really trying to do too much. Actually, that already feels a lot better, but I still will put some fluid in there to give it some lubrication. And if I feel up to it, maybe I will polish them pretty, but I just wanted to clean them up a little bit. So I'm not going to bother making you watch me do all three, so I'll end it here. I just wanted to show you the steps that I'm doing. Again, this is trying to do this real time and trying to show people what it's like to actually do a boat, own a boat, and do all the repairs in real time. Here we are again. I got all three hinges all cleaned up with the brush so that they're all good. Some are a little stiffer than others, so that one's not too bad. This one's the worst. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some penetrating oil on them and let them sit overnight or even up to a week. I generally use this product, Ballistol. It seems to be the best penetrating oil, and you can have many uses around the house and on the boat. Protects metals and everything. So I'm going to spray them, work it into them, and just put them in a plastic cup and let them sit for a while. So spray the end where the hinge is to let it work down. That is actually amazing what a difference that made. I'm not opposed to replacing these hinges. The problem is I just can't find them. I'm sure there's a resource out there. I couldn't find it, at least on quick web search. But since these work, I'm not going to bother. That's actually amazing what a difference that made. This is the stiffest one. We'll see what it does with this. It almost feels like the pin inside is bent a little bit, but just putting the lubrication on definitely makes it feel dramatically better. Still has a little bit of friction, and I don't think it's corrosion. I think the pin might be very slightly bent for some reason, but it's more than adequate. Dramatically better than it was before. Just let me give these a quick wipe down, and then I'll let them sit, because I want to get all the grinding crap off. People pay big money for brushed bronze. Look at that. How about that? Still got a little friction in there, but it'll be fine. The reason I want to keep these in good shape is when I put the screws in, that's what holds the door to the boat. And if these are too stiff, it could actually pull the threads out of the wood. So that's why I want to keep the hinges in good shape. So that's good. One more coat for good luck. Cover them, and we are done. So that's it on this. Next time you see this segment, I will be in my workshop working on the board. So, but for now, I am done for the day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.